Hi, this is Joan of Arc. I'm back to farming. Me and my lonesome self again. Well, not really. Pasit is over there and we are gardening. Um, the farm in Ilonggo is called Uma, and a little plot of garden, well, we still call it a garden. I want to discuss to you a little about grounding. So here I am barefoot. Barefoot in Ilonggo is tiniil. Tiniil, going barefoot. From the word tiil, which is foot. And going barefoot, of course, is tiniil. And I'm so happy that I have here a patch of land, or duta, or earth, or dirt that's already safe for me to walk on. Walk, lakat, and walking, lakat. So I'm happy that there's this patch of land or earth that I could walk on, that I know is safe for me to do this grounding. Okay, let's be careful. Halong is to be careful or to take care. There's people also. I think he's also doing his grounding. So he's curled up and nestled comfortably into the earth. Here he is again. And also uh, the loving, how do you call this? This is anga. So people is so fond of being anga or loving in his loving moments. So paanga, anga. So like this one. He loves to paanga. Right, people? So caring for your pet and loving this pet also is a good way to ground yourself, because they are so close to the earth as well. The earth or dirt is called duta. So that's duta. And look at this. He's comfortably nestled in his mound. A dog is called, oops, Ido. Hey people. Hey. This is a pineapple plant. Ouch! Oops. The weeds are called hilamun or mga hilamon for plural. hmm The stones, I painted them red, so they're not their real color. The stones are called batu. Grass for where is the grass? Still hilamon. Hilamon. Grass, weeds, they're called hilamon. The regular plants, these are crotons, and they are all called tanom. Plants are called tanom. The grass is called hilamon, and the trees are called that's a banana tree, but in Ilonggo we don't call it kahoy. Normally kahoy is the woody trees. The woody trees are all called kahoy, but the banana tree is just called by its name, saging, but not a tree, just saging. That's why I love gardening, because this is also therapeutic and one way to keep myself grounded. Right, people? This is Joan of Arc and people and missing Holger. And well, there's Pasit over there. See you in our next video. Bye for now.